All right, so I just spent $200,000 on DTG equipment, and here's why. So this just came in today. All this stuff. Actually, this is 2 out of 5 skids that came in today. I didn't know they were coming in today, so we were totally unprepared. And these are gigantic skids that they were hard to move. We had to move them with pallet jacks. All right, so here is 5 skids. This is all part of the Brown Firefly Synergy system. There's skid 1. All right, so we're finally in, right? We finally got everything in after about an hour. So yeah, so these are 2 components. Actually, what we have here is a gigantic 3-lane oven. It is a Firefly oven from Brown Manufacturing. State-of-the-art DTG printing equipment, and we are beyond excited to be able to put this into our entire DTG and print-on-demand department. This is gonna be a huge growth area for us this year and moving forward, and we're super excited. This is one component of the oven itself. Okay, so each component, each piece, each skid has the same drawing on it, and then they show you what it is for setup purposes. So this entire thing is the oven and the pre-treat machine right here. This particular piece that we're looking at is the in-feed of the oven. This is a 3-lane oven that is 36-inch wide, 3 36-inch wide belts. The reason it's got 3 lanes is because the one is for the pre-treatment, sends it down the oven so it dries, and then it comes out the other side, gets heat pressed, gets printed, and then it gets sent back down one of the other belts, back out to where the other one started. And the reason there's another lane is because you can do a variety, dark colored garments, light colored garments, different speeds, different temperatures. So you have the capability to do a lot of different things. They make a 2-lane, they make a single lane, but where we plan to take this entire department, we knew that we were just gonna get a 3-lane right from the beginning because we would need one tomorrow anyway. Look how gigantic these skids are. How would anybody move these? I mean, I did pick it up and like throw it over my shoulder, but anyway, so this actually, let's see, come down here. So this is the heating element itself. So this is the drone. You can actually add on drones, add on heating elements. If you want to be able to do more per hour, I believe both of these is like the heating chamber. That is like the size of a car. Like literally. So brother also sent us all these cool supplies. It looks like there's inks here, CMYK inks, cleaning solutions. I don't even know what all this stuff is. I didn't go through this, a mixed carton of something. So in comparison to what you just saw, that was 2 components of the new oven. This is the current oven. I think it's 24 inches wide. It's about 8 to 10 feet long, and it's 1 lane, as you can see. Big step up from what we're currently using, which that works well. And we put out a lot of shirts in a day, but that's what we were working with before. So as we come around here are the other 3 components of this oven. So this thing is absolutely gigantic. This right here, the first piece that you saw, this is on the opposite side of that. It's actually got cameras and different things on it. This is super innovative technology. The cameras detect and they can sense issues with the garments. That's what this is. This is the opposite. So you've got the in-feed or the outfeed, depending on which direction. The drones are the heating elements, which we just saw. And then you have this, which is on the other side. 3 lanes, feed, in-feed, outfeed, drone, in-feed, outfeed. So that's kind of how it like is set up. And this right here, this is the pre-treat. So this is a Synergy pre-treat. This is actually like a separate unit. That was the Firefly oven. This is the Synergy pre-treat. Come down here, you can see, here's another photo or picture of what it looks like. So that's what this is sticking out here. So what you do is the shirts go into this machine. This machine actually has a camera built into it from up above. And what it does is it projects down onto the shirt that you just laid on that belt, the image area, and it pre-treats the shirt specifically in that image area. So if it's a full front print, it'll project a box that big. And if it's a left chest print, it'll project a box, you know, maybe a 5x5 square on the left chest. If it's a right chest, it'll do the same over there. So it actually knows what design is going on that shirt, and it only pre-treats that area. So obviously there's a savings in pre-treat. You're not pre-treating the whole thing of, you know, areas that you don't need, but it's super smart and sophisticated. It knows exactly where that print is going to be on the shirt. So this is the Synergy pre-treat system that is built to work with the Firefly oven, and it's attached to the front of one of the oven belts. So that's what this is right here. And over here, we've got the actual brand new DTG machine. We have a couple of them. We bought 2 of them to start. They're brother DTG machines. And as I said earlier in the video, we have always been a Kornit machine user, and we just felt that, you know, for where we wanted to take the company in the future and sort of the technology that they have in these machines, we felt that we needed to make a switch to move forward with what we plan on doing in the future with the company. So we went Brother. You can't really see too much in here, but these are Brother GTX Pro bulk machines. There's 2 of them. There's a tank series, or a tank unit over here. I don't even know what this is, but all of this stuff just came in. We're basically taking our current DTG department and flipping it inside out. Room for expansion, room for growth, the latest and greatest technology. We're so excited. I can't wait to get this all set up. I know they're coming out for a week for setup and training of the oven and the pre-treat, and then Brother's actually coming out for a week to set up and train on the new machine. So already great things happening for SPS in 2022, and we look forward to where this is gonna take us. I think the sky is the limit, and we're excited for the ride.